Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the top 7 drones that you can get for under $100. Drones are becoming more and more popular these days, and with so many options out there, it can be hard to know which one is right for you. But don't worry, we've done the research, so you don't have to. All the links of the drones are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Are you looking for an affordable and reliable quadcopter that can capture stunning aerial footage? Introducing the S136 4K GPS drone. This drone is packed with features that will take your photography and videography to the next level. With its 4K HD camera, you'll be able to capture high-quality images and videos from above. You can remotely control the lens angle up to 90 degrees for even wider shots. This 4K GPS drone also features laser obstacle avoidance technology, which enables real-time 360-degree rotation detection of the obstacle avoidance head. You'll never have to worry about crashing into anything while flying. And with a 5G Wi-Fi function, you can connect the drone to your phone's app or APK system to take pictures and video and enjoy real-time transmission through the phone's camera image. The Wi-Fi FPV distance is up to 1,000 meters, so you can explore far and wide with these. GPS positioning mode makes for more accurate and stable flight, while optical flow fixed point hover provides stable hovering. Follow Me mode is perfect for capturing active shots, as the drone will follow you and your cell phone wherever you go. This 4K GPS drone is also designed to withstand strong winds and support sea flight, thanks to its brushless motor power and high-strength engineering plastic fuselage. With headless mode and one-key return, you don't have to worry about adjusting the position of the aircraft before flying or losing it in the sky. And with its foldable arm design, this drone is compact and easy to carry wherever you go. So why wait? Order your S136 4K GPS drone today and take your aerial photography and videography skills to new heights. Are you ready to take your aerial photography game to the next level? Introducing the L500 Pro 4K GPS drone. This drone is packed with features that will make capturing stunning footage easy, no matter where your adventures take you. Its foldable arms make it compact and easy to carry, perfect for taking on trips or hikes. The 4K HD wide-angle camera can be adjusted by 90 degrees using the controller, giving you the perfect angle for any shot. With 5G Wi-Fi, you can connect to an app and stream real-time video from the drone straight to your phone. GPS-assisted flight provides accurate positioning information for the drone, ensuring that it never gets lost. The drone will automatically return to home when its battery is low or if it's flown out of range. The optical flow positioning system makes flying indoors easier and more stable, while altitude hold mode ensures that the drone stays steady in the air. Gesture photo and video modes let you capture amazing shots without ever touching a button. Just make a gesture and the drone will snap the picture or start recording. With up to 28 minutes of flight time, the L500 Pro has plenty of juice for all your aerial photography needs. The brushless motor is powerful and quiet, making for a smoother and more enjoyable flight experience. Finally, the quadcopter fuselage is made of high-strength engineering plastics, meaning it's both lightweight and durable. The L500 Pro 4K GPS drone is the perfect tool for capturing amazing aerial footage on your next adventure. Are you ready to take your aerial photography and videography game to the next level? Introducing the L900 Pro SAF 4K Professional GPS FPV drone, the perfect tool for capturing stunning footage from the sky. This drone features a folding body that makes it easy to transport and store. Take it with you wherever you go and capture breathtaking views from above. Cut to a graphic of the drone's features. GPS/optical flow positioning fixed point flight smart follow-us camera gesture photo and video MV Creative VID O50X Zoom brushless motor. The L900 Pro SAF comes equipped with advanced features such as GPS and optical flow positioning, allowing for precise hovering and stable flights. You can also set fixed points for your drone to fly to, giving you full control over your shots. With Smart Follow technology, the L900 Pro SAF will follow you wherever you go, capturing all the action from a unique perspective. The L900 Pro SAF also features gesture photo and video capabilities, allowing you to take photos and videos with simple hand movements. No need to fiddle with buttons or settings, just wave your hand and capture the moment. And once you've captured your footage, use the MV Creative Video function to edit and enhance your videos with ease. Thanks to its 50x zoom, the L900 Pro SE can capture even the smallest details from a distance. With its powerful brushless motor, the L900 Pro SE is capable of stable flights and precise movements. So whether you're a professional photographer or just looking to capture some amazing footage, the L900 Pro SE 4K Professional GPS FPV drone is a perfect choice. Get yours today and start exploring the world from a whole new perspective. Are you looking for a drone that is easy to carry, captures stunning pictures and videos? Look no further than the M8 Pro GPS drone. This drone has foldable arms, making it easy to transport wherever your adventures take you. And with its 360-degree automatic obstacle avoidance function, you don't have to worry about crashing into anything. Connect the M8 Pro to your phone via 5G Wi-Fi and use the app or APK system to take pictures and videos in real time through the drone's built-in 8K pixel HD camera. This drone also includes GPS one-key return, low-power return, and one-key return without signal, so you can focus on capturing the perfect shot without worrying about losing your drone. Thanks to optical flow positioning and dual camera switching, this drone is great for indoor flying as well. And with altitude hold mode and headless mode, flying has never been easier. Use the one-key takeoff and landing or return function to easily navigate your drone back home. Or draw a flight path on the screen and watch as the M8 Pro autonomously follows your commands. For an even more immersive experience, use the mobile app with VR glasses to feel like you're flying through the air. With its 3.7 volts, 2000 mAh modular battery, its flight time of up to 25 minutes and a remote control distance of 5,000 meters. With 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology, you can be sure that your drone won't lose connection mid-flight. And with its 6-axis gyroscope and LED lights, the M8 Pro is a joy to fly both day and night. So what are you waiting for? Experience the thrill of flying with the M8 Pro GPS drone. Introducing the new K9 18 Max GPS drone, the ultimate tool for capturing breathtaking aerial footage. With its 4D infrared obstacle avoidance system, you can safely navigate any terrain. And with its foldable arms, this drone is easy to transport wherever your adventure takes you. It is equipped with a 4K 50x zoom HD camera, allowing you to capture stunning shots from any angle. You can even control the lens angle remotely, so you never miss a shot. With a 5G Wi-Fi function, you can connect the drone to your smartphone and capture photos and videos in real time. The drone's 3-axis self-stabilizing mechanical gimbal ensures that your footage stays smooth and stable, even during windy conditions. Thanks to its GPS positioning mode, this drone provides more accurate flight paths. And with a 5G Wi-Fi FPV distance of up to 1,500 meters, you can explore further than ever before. The Waypoint Flight mode allows you to draw a path on the screen and let the drone fly on autopilot. And with Follow mode, the drone will track your every move, giving you the freedom to capture stunning footage without worrying about controlling the drone. With a 7.4 volts, 3000 mAh battery, its flight time of up to 25 minutes. And with one-key return function, you can easily find your way back home. With its 4 channels and 6-axis gyroscope, this drone is easy to control, and its high-strength engineering plastic body ensures durability. And with 3 different flight speeds, you can customize your experience for maximum fun. Experience the power of brushless motors and strong wind resistance with the K9 18 Max GPS drone, the ultimate tool for capturing stunning aerial footage. Drones have revolutionized the way we capture stunning aerial footage. And now, with the K9 98 Professional 4K camera drone, you can take your aerial photography and videography to the next level. With a wide-angle 6K high-definition Wi-Fi front lens and a bottom high-definition lens with optical flow, you can switch camera angles and capture clear and stable footage. The Servopan tilt and electronic anti-shake features increase stability, making sure every shot is picture-perfect. With an ultra-long endurance 3.7 volts, 1600 mAh lithium battery, this drone can last up to 18 minutes on a single charge, giving you plenty of time to capture that perfect shot. And with a charging time of just 1 hour, you won't have to wait long before taking to the skies again. This drone also comes equipped with an app for mobile phone control, allowing you to customize your route and even draw the path you want the drone to follow. One-button return, headless mode, Ascending and descending, forward and backward, left and right side flight make it incredibly easy to navigate. TH's drone also features hand gesture photography, obstacle avoidance, and brushless motors that provide powerful performance and a longer service life. And with an adjustable camera that can tilt up to 90 degrees, you can capture stunning footage from any angle. So if you're looking for a drone that can take your aerial photography and videography to new heights, look no further than the K998 Professional 4K Camera Drone. Introducing the P11 Siemens 8K Professional Drone. The ultimate flying experience for those who demand only the best. Equipped with advanced features such as obstacle avoidance on 5 sides, an HD camera, GPS positioning, and multi-function homing, the P11 Siemens is designed to provide unparalleled stability and control. With obstacle avoidance on 5 sides, you can fly with confidence knowing that your drone will steer clear of any obstacles in its path. Experience multi-function homing, trajectory flight, and active track, all controlled by the 5K remote control. The brushless electric machine ensures a smooth and efficient flight, while the drone's visual remote control allows for easy navigation. And with a flight time of up to 20 minutes, the P11 Siemens 8K Professional Drone is the perfect companion for capturing breathtaking footage on any adventure. With a 5K remote control and visual remote control system, you can easily operate the drone from a distance, allowing you to capture incredible footage from unique angles. The P11 Siemens also includes active track and trajectory flight modes, which allow you to effortlessly follow moving objects or pre-planned flight paths for the ultimate precision. Thanks to its brushless electric machine, the P11 Siemens can last up to 20 minutes of continuous use, giving you ample time to capture all your desired shots. Whether you're a professional videographer or just looking to capture stunning aerial footage, the P11 Siemens 8K Professional Drone is the ultimate tool for unlocking new perspectives. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.